Just
Hey, baby.
finish up what I was doing there so I don't
You
forget
know what
about
time of
that.
the year it is?
My favorite time of the year. It's time to uppot fig trees.
No. Not only that, but
It's time for keepers.
yes.
Yeah. You know what I like about keepers?
What's that?
I like that every time I walk away from keepers, I've
Mm-hmm.
learned something new that I can add to my quiver of knowledge of homesteading and keeping old time skills alive.
Yeah, it keeps the traditional skills alive that are at risk of being, forgotten about.
Yeah, and even though every year we have some of the older topics carry over, there's always something new that's added, and there's always a new skill that I can take away from there and
Right.
I can use.
Yeah.
And one of the things I like also is about the class that we teach. I really enjoy watching the people get it whenever they're
Sure.
grafting and they get to take that tree home.
And then we hear later on how the tree's doing, which
Yeah,
is always fun.
get emails from people,
Yeah.
saying, hey, my tree's doing great. I also get the emails of like, hey, it didn't do so great, and I'm wanting to learn to sharpen that skill a little bit better.
And I like learning all the new skills, I mean, you get to walk away with hands on, like pork processing, probably not, and chicken, but our grafting class, you get hands on, and I know that there's canning, there's all these different things
Blacksmith.
that you really get. It's new to me, but it's old school. So it's
Yeah,
bringing the old back to a newer generation.
yeah, and I always get to see the people that I make friends with previous meetings, and also make new friends. Their first time showing up,
Yeah.
and they tend
Be
to main.
they're lifelong friends.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
And I know
yeah,
I
maintain
always
those
enjoy seeing
relationships.
them. I haven't seen them. They're from out of town, and you don't get to see them all the time. And it's always good to see those old friends that, you know, from last year, the year before. That's usually the only time you get to see them is around keepers.
Yeah, and I like that it's a family friendly atmosphere. Like people can bring their kids, and the kids can go do the little kids events while the parents are in the adult classes.
Yeah.
So everybody's learning, and everybody gets to go home at the end of the day, you
Right.
know, fulfilled.
Yep. Taking something home with them.
All right, guys. We hope to see you at the Keepers of the Old Ways event in Marianna this year. We're really looking forward to it. We're looking forward to meeting the new people that are going to be attending for the first time. Hope to see you there.